Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2016 Mercedes Benz GLE. From any screen, we click onto Navi. That doesn't show you a whole lot. What you have to do is move the rotary selector forward. It brings up a new menu. We want destination at the bottom here, so to get it onto the bottom menu, I click back towards me twice, onto destination. If it doesn't go to destination, just use the rotary control to highlight it. Click OK, and then we want address entry, like so. We don't want town, we want the bottom menu, postcode, click on postcode, and then we're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, High Walton, Preston, P R 5 4. That's me touching this stupid touchpad at the top. It always gets me. PR5 4EA, select that, click on it, and then we want start, click on start.
The route is being calculated. Please proceed to the highlighted route.
That's it. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.